Oh, that's great. Hey, what's up? Oh yeah, go to sleep then, man. I'm just chilling. I wasn't sure I was gonna work on this, but I'm trying to just. I have to get this connector back on here just to be able to see what was wrong with it in the first place. I think it had a problem, like it would boot up. Um, so I know the screen works and everything, but I think there's an error, and once you hit OK on the error, then it like it turns off or tries to reboot again, something like that. Yeah, I'm trying out these tweezers Nano recommended in his video as well. Yeah, this is really the first time I'm using them, so I mean, they feel nice. I think it's good. We'll find out though in a second. Oh yeah, I don't. Yeah, those the other scopes where you put your eyes into things. I don't know. Haven't tried it. Haven't tried it. So I mean, it's supposed to be objectively better, right? Depth of field or whatever you get. Yeah, I have a feeling that like since I still see some color over here on the left. These are not that it didn't sit down because I didn't bother tapping it at all. It's like as soon as I start a stream, I get like shaky. It's silly. It's like 3 people that I don't know are watching me, and I'm like, oh god, oh god. Yeah. Yep. That's what I thought. All right. But I can't hold this heavy thing and look down. Come on. Stabilize. Yeah, and my let's see, check this out. Whew, this just happened. Just came off. It was already super hard to press. Get my junk tweezers. Yay, got it out. I need to lubricate this. I think my flux is just too old or something, so it's like does not want to move at all. And now, of course, it's gonna like shoot out all crazy. Oh no. Oh, I hate getting flux all up in this thing. Okay, try again. I hope this thing can sit flat. It's not like warped or something. That would be devastating. Still feel or I don't feel good about it. It's like I want to, I want to be able to press down on this thing as well. Like, then I can't exactly get under it very easily. Let me see if I got it down though. No, maybe I should just resort to manually fixing the last couple. Did I not have enough solder on those? Or is it a little bit warped up? God. Little hair, go away. I think I'm going to try to just finish it with the iron. Really just need a tiny bit. I got too much solder. Come on. I need to get I need to invest in a non AliExpress micro soldering dealio. Eh, might be solid. I might be it might be soldered on there. I might be just, I don't know. I'm gonna drop my shit. I hope so, man. Yeah, these things are annoying. This is only a second one that I mess with. Yeah, I'm trying to do more streams just so I can chill and get more comfortable with it and like not have the shakes, you know. Well, yeah, we'll wait and see if it works, right? Okay, so if that works, should be able to. That should have been the only like issue that I caused to it. So I had another OLED I had to repair, so I had to steal it from this one. So I got this off of Facebook, and it was like, you know, had the error I was talking about before, where it boots and has some error, I think, and then it reboots or whatever. But the screen, like I was able to see that the screen works and everything. It just has it like took a hard hit. I can show you. So, anyways, I had to get that display connector because I didn't want to wait for another one to come in the mail. Um, so there's the hit right there. Sorry, I need to figure out my lighting still as well. Like my face is like super bright. The white balance should be fixed, but it's changing. Anyways, maybe the microscope show it better. There it is. Screen is fine. I think there's a screen protector on it as well. Uh, yeah, it's like uneven spacing, so that's probably a screen protector. All right, off of that, and so yeah, I was asking about the boot stages and stuff like that. I need to get more familiar with that, and I was just watching videos on like level 1, level 2, level 3 unbricks, stuff like that. So if this took a fall, uh, the unbricking stuff is not going to help because those are software fixes. I mean, this is going to be some kind of like probably a BGA ball is like cracked or whatever, right? What would you guess, Nano? Like Switch takes a hard fall and all of a sudden now it boots up, but then there's some error and then it just reboots or turns off or something. I can't remember. All right, so I hate all these little tiny connectors, man. Yeah, I took a fall and then, you know. Wait, what the what? Are you kidding me? What the hell just happened? How did this just happen? Look at this. Look at this shit. What in the world? Those are trash now. How did I just do that? I set them down on my table and they just like became like that. What in the world? Oh, I did. I dropped them and I didn't look at them after I dropped them. I dropped them onto the ground, onto my floor. That was it. Brand new one. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh, that sucks so bad. That is some bull. These things are done. Good as new, right? Oh my god. Look at the precision, the beauty. Look at the how well they contact. Oh, this hurts. This hurts my soul. Oh my god. Okay. It's my fault. That sucks. Neat. Oh yeah. What's up? Yep, don't. Oh man. Okay. All right. I'm not gonna get a new pair out until I actually need them. Just gonna mess up two pairs. I'm gonna get out my, not so nice set. That really sucks though. Should probably switch the view. Now, it's just gonna be like that for a while. Oh yeah, yeah. Um, can you guys see? I have Paul Daniels meter, and I have my Rigel. I just set this up today. Both these things. So like, if I turn on my power supply, it updates command window with the voltages. See now, 1 volt. I could set it to 5 volts. Pretty awesome. Oh, hold on to it. Hold on to it. But I need like a known good CPU. Test it out. Yeah, I don't have an oscilloscope yet. Or a proper fume extractor. I wish I was at all good at getting these things in there. What all do I need to connect here to test it out? All right, get out of here. All right. Do I need to angle the USB-C in first? Should I have angled this in first and then connected the display after that? Oh, it's this little cover on top of the USB-C that's like really annoying me. Yeah, I want to do a lot of these so like this part doesn't take me any time at all, so I get used to it. Still not sitting all the way down. Speaker cable or something's in the way. I don't know. Okay. So display connector, right? You said display, like the power, which is what, this one right here? Maybe? Oh, don't tell me this one can't get in there now. Go to your home. Okay. What about this guy up here? This is like the Joy-Con rail. Probably doesn't matter. Speaker or something? Or maybe... this guy? What's this guy right here? He's easy to get in there, I imagine, though. Yeah. Okay, I don't need this one that I just did. But I need what? These three right here? There, there. An hour later, I get to test this thing out. So display and one, just two of them, right? Okay, so display obviously, and the fan, which is no, I mean there's the power actually. Where's the which one is the actual fan? Oh, okay, whatever. Just those two then. Okay. All right. Well, battery, go in there. Okay. Battery engaged. I'm gonna switch to the regular view. I think it should have a charge. Okay, so here goes nothing. Oh. Happy, except for that. Could not start the software. Okay. And then, wait, reboot. Did you see that though? Could not start the software. Screen works, touch works. Boom. Could not start the software. So, would that make you think that the BJ under the NAND is jacked up? This is my first like OLED issue, really. I mean, not really. I had the display connector on the other one, but my second OLED issue, and it's one you haven't encountered. This is not making me like optimistic, man. Yeah, and then it just boop does it again. Should I look? I mean, if it's getting to the a prompt enough to say could not start the software, that means it's past both stages of boot, right? Or is that no? This has not been modded. It's just someone's switch I bought marketplace that took a drop. You can see there's a chunk out of here. So also, I thought there was a mark on the screen protector, maybe not. So this is like you might think that this is a software unbrick situation, right? But we know that it happened after a fall. So I'm guessing BGA, but would you think the NAND or the SoC, like, or maybe one of the Maxes or something? I don't know what. See, I don't know what all the. I need to have better knowledge of like the function of all the chips and whatnot. So I think regardless, what would you say? Should I install a chip on this to check something out? I mean, well, I feel like that would be pointless. Yeah. What is there something right near this? I mean, the NAND is like under the display connector, right? The NAND is closer to the hit point than the SoC, but I mean the whole thing, and you're right about it being having like way more BGA balls, being bigger. You can you float the SoC with just a no nozzle Atten without a preheater? What's so maintenance mode is volume up and down and power, right? Or is that the other mode? So hold volume up and down and press power and keep holding volume up and down. I need the can I get the buttons off this? Will that help me? Not really. How am I going to press all these little buttons? Yeah, it does. It seems risky. Like it might be enough to to float it, but like, yeah, I'm scared about that. I have a preheater. I've never used it though. It's a small one too. Yeah. I just can't. I don't know if I can press these buttons. Let's see. Uh, I don't know if I pressed power. I did. I don't know if I'm holding the volume buttons though. Oh, it's switch logo. We got something. We got maintenance mode. Thank you. Thanks for that. So update, initialize, delete all data in the system memory. It's on 19. I imagine initialize. But does this tell me anything? If it boots to here, does it tell me the SoC is good? Or does this just doesn't mean jack shit? But I'm worried because this was caused by a fall. Also don't know what the battery status is. I feel like I should have this plugged in. Oh, Paul Daniels to the rescue. I don't have any kind of hey, it's drawing power. Nice. Fans on. Cool. Oh, 9 minutes. I don't know if you want to sit here. Set this down. I'm afraid of this Wi-Fi shorting something out. Ah, come on. Yeah, it bumped a 1 to a 0. That's what happened. So if this fixes it or whatever, I don't feel good about it. Like a drop. I mean, I wonder, like, I don't know. I don't imagine this fixes it. Doesn't make sense unless the person that gave it to me lied somehow, like it was screwed up and they dropped it. So then there's maintenance mode, and then there's another mode, safe mode or something. And it's like volume up, volume down, alternating or something crazy. Oh, I could see it being dropped during an update, which, well, it would have had to like power off for some reason. Like, oh, shots fired. Gotta back it up, Nano. Oh, I can't believe I just destroyed these brand new fancy tweezers. I'm sad. I have a stone dealio. So one of these guys. Good as new. No. Do I just throw these away now? Yeah, I mean, I was just trying to use it as a channel for pressure, less of actually grinding them, but so hmm. I already have a pair of jank tweezers, that I can, you know, now I have a pair of titanium jank tweezers. Don't really have that. I have these. I don't know if I have anything like flat like that. Two minutes remaining, 81%, 82. Yeah, you gotta have a pair of titanium, Jink. Oh, that's so lame. I mean, they're almost usable now. All it took was one fall, and I literally used them one time. Yeah, those are in the trash. Oh, all the titanium wasted. I'm already emotionally disconnected from it. I'm done with it. At least I got two. I got the straight ones. I got these ones as well. These aren't new, but these are nice. This thing, awesome. I was on. I got that the same order after I watched your video. What else? What else? Oh, it's doing something. I missed it. What did it do? There's nothing on the screen right now. Someone saw Yeti. Did you see? It said something. I'm gonna just press power. I imagine it's doing the same thing, right? Okay, power. That took a long time. Took a long time. Uh oh. Yeah, could not start the software. Well, if it was rebooting itself, it took a while, and I think it would have wouldn't it have required me to like hold the power down to stop its process or something? Hopefully, I didn't imagine that I screwed it up. Oh, that's a thought. It could have overheated, I guess. It is hot. I mean, it's warm right now. Hmm, that is a good thought. That makes sense. Maybe I try it again. I hate this stuff, man. The pink stuff. Oh, I don't have a clue. I'm gonna dig my screws out. I'm just gonna clean this off. But it went all the way to like 80 something percent, right? Like, and it, unless it coincidentally like overheated right towards the end. Okay. Well, it was already, I mean, the situation hasn't changed, right? Oh, it said system overheated? Oh, okay, okay. I didn't see your message. All right, all right. Well, let's try it again. Okay. That's so difficult. I'm gonna unplug this. Fingernails, maybe help. All right. Back to maintenance mode. Charging. Okay. Initialize. Continue, continue, continue. Try again. Oh gosh, you're going into detail. The OROM. Yeah, that sounds crazy. You're talking crazy stuff right now. Are you just saying random smart stuff and hoping we don't notice? It's all made up? Because it could be. So it has this system software stored somewhere on it, right? Like a system restore partition on a PC or something. Oh, that's the OROM. Okay. Let me move this so I can zoom in on it. without repositioning my camera so that if it does something, there you go. Prop it up on something, preferably something metal. Being sarcastic. Well, let's see. Okay. It has everything it needs. Heatsink, thermal paste, airflow. Now we sit here. Now we wait. I don't even have any sunflower seeds to eat right now. I don't know what to do with myself. So I also have one of the first switches I tried modding and messed up that I could never figure out what the problem was. I haven't gone back to it though now that I've learned a few things. I might check that one out sometime. Definitely not right now, but I think like it needs to have like max, like one or two of the max ICs put back on it, maybe the BQ. I don't know what status it's in. It's I've been using it like kind of like as a donor, but it's also like I never knew, like I don't know exactly what the state of it is. Like could be perfectly fine, just need to, like maybe I didn't put the chips on there well enough when I tried, but I could never get it to come back to life. Or, you know, like maybe I can confirm, oh yeah, you know, dead CPU. That'd be nice. Level 4 unbrick. I didn't see how far it got. Were you able to look back in the video and see the percentage it got to? Did it, when it popped up that message, was it not at like 99% or something? It was like 80 something? Like it, or did it reach 100 is what basically what I want to know. I can go back and check the recording later. Yeah, but yeah, I wasn't zoomed in or anything. Oh, and these things are pretty cool. Thanks again to Nano. Cut little magnet wire. Also, other little random things. So I'd like to see it go past where it got before. I know it got to at least 82. That's when the last time I looked at it, I think. This double-sided bad boy. Hey, I watched somebody's video. Yeah. No, I've developed I feel like I developed my tool um I don't know, like I've leaned a little further into like trying to find the better tools before I even developed the better skills. Like I mean, I have developed some skills, but like I don't know. I get excited about the tools and I try to find like what's a really good performing tool for the like balance of money, you know, and like what is everybody else using, and is that like, do I think that's too expensive for my needs? You know, like I don't have an oscilloscope yet because I haven't really come to a situation where I'm like, dang, I can't fix this unless I have an oscilloscope. Because and that's partly because of my knowledge, my lack of knowledge. I have this nice rotating tool thing now, also thanks to you. Uh oh, what did it do? Did it get to 100? I feel like it did not. Did anybody catch it? Oh, 99? That's good. That's good. I'm not going to touch it. You said pull the power and the battery out right now? Say yank it out? Sometimes you don't count me out. I might do something crazy just because I'm dumb. I'll pull it out right now. No, I wouldn't. I'm kidding though. I would never do that. Crazy. All right. How long should I wait before I conclude that it's borked? And also, what about safe mode or whatever the other mode is? What does that get me? And also, next question is, what if I did an update? Like I try the update option. I don't feel like this is gonna do anything. Yeah, I've given up. I've already given up. But I'm wondering if trying to update would do anything different or be worth trying. All right. I'm gonna press power. I mean, yeah, the fall makes sense. But it did. You can see how it did like initial first loop, and then it came to this. It didn't go straight to this. I think that's what reinitializing it caused that. I think. I think updating is just going to do the same thing. Nope, I did not hold the buttons down. I yanked out the SOC while you're gone. It's still broken. God, I can't feel if I'm pressing the button or not. Okay. I'm gonna have to connect it to my Wi-Fi. Oh, that means I probably have to connect this. I'm gonna show you my dang Wi-Fi. All right. Is Atmosphere supported on the latest firmware? Did we definitely hack the Gibson? It will restart once the update is complete. I'm gonna update it, I think. Does anybody know? Is Atmosphere supported on the latest? I'm just curious. All right. I mean, if not, it's just a matter of time. right? Update complete like instantly. It's not going to do anything different. It's going to be the same shit. Burnt, burnt, burnt. I wonder if it actually applied the update. So I can reflow the NAND. That's one thing I can do. I probably can't safely do that with the SoC. Okay. All right. What are these? These ceramic ones are wide. I like that. Nano, do you store these in this little thing or you just like go free ball? I'm afraid of chipping them. Well, the unbrick is software, right? Or, I mean, okay, so NAND can't be damaged all the way since it gets past second stage boot. It has to at least be able to read bootloader. I really am tempted to reflow the NAND just because it's like going to be pretty quick as well. And it's a little late here. I don't feel like I can make it with a mod. I don't have the super convenient like quick solder boards. I have, just wires and stuff. My switch chips, what do I got? Where are they? I have these guys. MOSFETs and these bad boys. And then I have a bunch of these for the different versions. And dead zeros. Crap. Yes, I'm saving my thermal paste. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna try to reflow it, and then I'll go with the mod chip um, assessment after that. Heavy drops can mess with the voltage. So what you're saying is the heavy drop, even though like it could have caused it to lose power during something important or whatever, or voltage to spike and screw something up. Like the physical drop could have caused corruption in the NAND somehow, even if it wasn't in the middle of like updating or whatever. Okay, well. Stupid flux. It's not gonna work. Exit the tube. Please. A whole bunch of this is gonna fly out of this thing. Okay. Hopefully that's enough. There it goes. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to read all this stuff. If it's heated and passes and fully boots, it's a bad NAND, which will only work for a short time. What if the solder ball cracked and then this just restored it? Okay. Yeah, important piece of information. It was dropped, mega dropped. I can try it without cleaning out the flux, right? Yeah, I mean the guy seemed like a honest guy or whatever, but it was on Facebook, so you never know. But I mean, it makes sense. He dropped it, and it's like, oh, now it's screwed up, and I don't know. It'd be really weird if it was like screwed up before the drop, and then, or maybe he dropped it, and it was fine, and then it got screwed up later, and then he used the drop as an excuse. But it wasn't trying to like hide a modding attempt, or it didn't have any signs of that. So All right, I want to know now. Let's see. Come on. All right, doesn't matter. I just need oh, I do need this one. Oh my gosh. There it goes. I'll just sit down right now. Come on, man. Okay. Back to the ceramic ones. Yes. Okay, 2 connectors and a prayer. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to connect the Wi-Fi just so it doesn't short on anything. Please. Okay. Wi-Fi. Nope, I won't deal with that. My finger will be the heatsink. This is when I would do a poll. Display first. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. That's the screw you were talking about earlier. Yeah. All right. Okay, please. I pressed you. Please. There we go. God. Yeah, it's not even warm anyways. Could not start the software. So mod chip. So what I mean, go into Hecate and what am I gonna look for in there? If it can read the NAND, all the little green lights and everything on all the readings. Level 1, then level 2, then level 3, maybe. Did he make that software? That's what I saw in his videos. Definitely seen a lot of videos from aesthetics. Well, this is disappointing. Yeah, I'm not going to get to putting in a chip tonight, unfortunately. It'd be cool if I can fix this, though. So what if all of that doesn't work? Then look into like preheating the board and floating the SoC and or reballing it. But will the mod chip will I be able to confirm that all portions of the NAND are accessible and readable and good or whatever once I have the mod chip in, so I can basically eliminate that as a problem? Oh, so he wrote a GUI that like takes advantage of the other software that's existing, makes it way easier. I like when back in the day on the Xbox, like Executor or whatever, the other teams would do that, like make it super easy, like the RGH. I mean, the RGH stuff was like the most complicated thing in the world to do before like tools came out to make it easier. It's probably like I haven't looked at it in like 15, 20 years or something, so I don't know if it's still crazy. Okay. Yep. No other thing would cause this, like one of the other BGA chips take an impact, like Max chips or whatever. They wouldn't prevent the OS from booting like this. So I actually hope that something is screwed up on the NAND. Something that's not essential. Some part of it that's like not the product keys or whatever is required for it to pair with the SoC and the anti-piracy chip. Cool. All right, well, I will I won't be able to do it tomorrow, but yeah, I'm not going to start it tomorrow. I have too much stuff going on tomorrow. Soon, though, get back to it. So hopefully it's just the hmm. What would be best case scenario is like they're just corrupted somehow on the NAND. Well, hey, maybe if I can't get this figured out, maybe I can send it to Nano. Are you in the States? I don't know if I should attempt the SoC without using preheater, or this shouldn't be the first board I practice on with my preheater I've never used. It's like super dusty. It's been sitting for a while. Oh, NanoFix Canada. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm just concerned with like what you're saying, the safety of like dumping enough heat to float the SoC and or reball it or whatever without using a preheater. Because I'm not comfortable with the preheater yet. I haven't not even used it once. Or maybe like I can just leave it on at a constant like 100 something just to add extra heat. Maybe that's enough. Yeah. Zero experience with preheaters, so definitely don't want to warp the board. I have a Series X actually that fully functions, except for once you start playing something for a little bit, like not even a long time at all, it starts to get any kind of heat into it. Like it just freezes, console freezes. And I was wanting to like I reflowed all the RAM, didn't do anything, but I can't reflow the APU or whatever, just because I didn't have a preheater. Cool. All right. Well, thanks for the help, everybody. Nano and Yank and everybody else too. Yep, I'm gonna call it for the night, and then I'm gonna be back sometime in the next few days to do the mod and see how it goes. Thank you. See you later.